was in the middle of a trade, and then all of a sudden I just see this giant candle pop up out of nowhere. Ooh, I have no idea where this candle came from. I was slowly taking profits off of this trade. Took a trade earlier, lost $1.72, but I've made up for that now. But all of a sudden we just got a candle out of nowhere. I don't know what Donald Trump said on his speech right now, but look at that. That is crazy. All right, we're already up $2 on this little position trade, so we're just gonna close another 30% right now. Why not? We got a beautiful pump. That was an overall beautiful pump. We entered on the 1 minute. Was not expecting that full push up, but we were expecting at least 90,000, so that came out perfectly. So we did have some trades earlier. My the losing trade I had earlier was this right here. I entered right here and then exited down here when it made a new low. Then when I checked MarketCipher, saw that it was bottoming out and it was building up these nice little waves, building up perfectly. Even on the 3 minute, it just wanted to build up. On the 4 minute, it showed this one, so I said, fuck it, I'm entering back in. Because as you can see, we bought here, sold here, entered back in up here, took profits up here at the top, took profits again up here at the top, took some more profits down here at the bottom. Then we saw it building back up, started holding this. We said, fuck it, we're gonna add some more. Perfect timing. We did that minutes before we had a nice pump, and then we just sold again. That's what the plan is. That's what you do. You always want to add to a winning position. You never, ever, ever, ever want to add to a losing position. You're just digging yourself a deeper grave. Look at that. We might even push for more highs now. We might even just push higher. Can I log in, please? Like, why is it doing this to me? Stop giving me such difficulties right now. Thank you. Like, fuck. We also got a nice little soul position open. We're up, not too bad on that one. That was another amazing entry. Look at that. Entered at the bottom, boosted to the top. This one's also 100x leverage. I'm only using this because it is a voucher position, so it naturally went to 100x, but I think I chose that at a pretty good time. I'm going to close half that right now. I can't close half of it? Oh, it's only making me take the full position? Oh, that's dirty. Well, let's take a look at the chart. What does soul look like? All right. I mean, this could be a nice push-up. Oh, that could be dirt. I might just have to hold this position. Because look, it's about to hit up more. We're about to hit another green dot. We just surfed right into the green money flow. Had the little dip back in right here into the red money flow. But that was a nice little collection right there. I believe I got in the position right here. Could be wrong. Does it show an arrow on here where I entered my position? I don't think it does, but that's a beautiful entry. Well, I think we're going to keep this Solana position open. It is a voucher one, so it's free money that we're just playing with right here. And we're already up $10. That's pretty fucking good. I opened the position somewhere around here, so we've been in it for about 40 minutes. Not bad. This one here, where did I re-enter? I entered right there. We've been in this one for 2 hours and 40 minutes. This one's only a small position. I think I entered with like $30 on 10x leverage, reduced it all the way down to like, I think like $4, I think around $4 in the position, and then I just added more to it, decreased it back down after we took profits. It's just up, down, up, down, up, down. That's kind of how we're flowing with it, you know? Yeah, if you're looking to get into trading, I would advise MarketCipher. Our referral link will be in the description below. This is the only indicator that I use. It's the only one that I trust. It's a money printer, you know? I think we should just, should we take, yeah, you know what? We're going to take Solana profits now. We're going to close it. We took it. We took the money. We took the free money from the voucher. Beautiful. I was gonna say, you better have given me that money. Look at that. Free money right there. Oh, and look at that dump. Oh, did I sell the perfect time? Or is what does my Bitcoin position look like? Ah, it's kind of dumpy. That's okay. That's okay. We're still good. We're still in the green on that one. If you want to use up to 500x leverage, you can use BTCC. Referral link will be in the description below. Or if you want to use a different exchange, I mainly trade on Blowfin. That's when I don't feel like doing kamikaze trading with 500x leverage. You know, that's why I only have a little bit in this account. Keep it little, trade with little. So this one's my 500x kamikaze one. The referral link is in the description. And then same thing with Blowfin. This one I regularly use. That's why I have more assets in here. Referral link for Blowfin will also be in the description, as well as the MarketCipher referral link. And the price just started to collapse. Luckily, we got out there with pure profits, baby. Like I said, the first trade was a loss. The rest, these two trades made up for that loss. Profit, profit, profit. And it just collapsed past our entry point. Our entry point was around here, I believe. I think it was around 88,440, somewhere around there. But look at this. Oh my God. It just collapsed. I think it was on the 3 minute, or where was it? Where was it almost noticeable? I think it was 3 minute. Yeah. You can see it's kind of just winding up, and you can see the money flow just curving. It's going downwards, it's curving, and then all of a sudden it hit the point and it just snapped. I just missed this opportunity. This blood diamond on the red dot, that would have been the best entry point right there. You enter on your new candle. If I was here, oh my God, on a 10x leverage, we'd be up 26% right now in 7 minutes. That is exactly what you want to look for. That is the most, oh my God, that's the perfect setup, and I wasn't at my desk for it. I was not at my desk for it. Luckily I had the stop loss just above my entry, entry. So I got out with pure profits, but oh my god. Just looking at that blood diamond on that huge candle, even on the Heiken candles, you can see that it's just pure red. Oh my god. I'm going to be thinking about that for a few days. Look at that. Starting to get a little bit of a bounce. That would have been a 23%. Would have taken profits at 10 like normal. Oh well. We still got one good trade out of the day. Still got one good trade. What do you got out of there with? I think it was like $3 or so. Just over $3. So just under 1% of the account. If you can make at least 1% of your account per trade, the compound interest over time will just build up. And that's all you need. That is all you need. Good luck trading, guys.